Okay, we are at number 2 for the year for the Cadillac Lasalle Club car show, which is held every 4 weeks. Now up at Pimpamar Shopping Centre. It used to be over at Masters Car Park in Coomera. So last month, if you saw my previous video, you saw we had a big crowd. So they've shifted it to Sunday night and not Saturday, and made it 6 o'clock and pushed for everyone to come a little bit later. This way we can respect everyone that's here, the shopping centre and everyone else. So let's go for a walk around. We'll check out some of these cars and we'll see what's new and we'll see what's not, and we'll see everything else that's here as well. And here it is. Cleanest, smoothest looking coupe, in my opinion, of course. Getting a bit dark. I hope you get to see everything. So they've removed all the trim from the bumpers. I love the way she has kept everything chrome still. Just sits absolutely beautiful. Definitely my Grail Mustang. And if you're watching this and you own it and you ever sell it, you let me know. And tonight I would also, this is a really big shout out. My father passed away on Friday morning and he got me into cars. I grew up around cars. My dad was a used car salesman, so throughout my teenage years into my 20s, and I went through 10, 15 cars a year. He would always come home with something that he thought was bigger and better and faster for me, so I grew up around some pretty wicked cars. So I owe my dad a hell of a lot. So Dad, this one's for you. Love you. Miss you. 1964 EH. Very, very tasteful. Props to the owner on this one. A lot of effort has gone into the detail and the effort to keep it original, which I really, really like, with his own personal touches to it. Lovely. So what are you doing? You've got a beautiful 1963 Chevy Ute, Chevy pickup. And you drop an L3.
The 341. If I got to Yanks, so 341. It was slow enough.
Clean and tidy 65 coupe. Windows up, so I don't want to go prying inside too much, but very, very straight, very, very clean. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, John Moore, this one's for you, mate. This is a beautiful little TC Cortina. I'm not that clued in on my engine, so I don't know if that's a 302 or a 351, but she's definitely no 6-cylinder 250, that's for sure. So my personal opinion, this 66 Mustang Coupe is definitely the nicest, cleanest Mustang on the coast. Super straight, all original. And it's mine, so I'm lying my ass off. see plenty of new model Mustangs getting around, but you don't see them dumped. Never ever as dumped as this. That is low. Super low. I wish I had captured the video of this Tirana when it was pulling up. It sounds as mean as it looks. Absolutely beautiful car. Street registered, and this would tear up the track and knock your eyeballs to your arsehole so quick you wouldn't know what happened. That's what it's all about right there, the badge. Absolutely beautiful Pontiac Parisian. One of the longer models they've ever made. Not too sure of the year on this one. One for the Rotary boys right here. I don't know if I call it an RX4 or a 929. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The colour is probably really hard to see on camera, but it's sea blue. I think is probably the best colour to call it. This is absolutely stunning. Props to the owner on the work to this car. Lovely.
Side by side.
Here's again another one of my favourite little Mustang survivors that first made an appearance here last month. I was actually chatting to the guy on line, and you know, I can't for the life of me now remember your name, so I am sorry. And I don't think that was there last time. I really don't. You, sir, have just made this car even better again. Silent screamer. Love it. Very, very different colour, quite unique. And believe it or not, it actually works. Works quite well. If it had chrome instead of black, I don't reckon it would work. The black sets it right off. Now that is a beautiful looking XB coupe. Very, very nice. Super clean and straight car as well. This one, the body is absolutely beautiful. One genuine, beautiful SS Group A right there. Well, that's legit, boys and girls. All right, Fred, Sheldon, take care, guys. Enjoy. There, Gold Coast local boy. This is absolutely stunning. Check this out. I'll tell you what, that 56 Chev's not too bad either. Wow. Yes, I know I've featured this car 3 times out of 3 now, but Ford, Holden, Chev, doesn't matter what it is. Old school survivors are brilliant, always. And this one is no exception. Absolutely fantastic. Nice Malibu right there. Look at that. So it's getting a little bit late. I think the night's done. We're going to look at heading off now. Tonight I wanted to do this one in memory of my father, who, as I said earlier, passed away on Friday. My dad got me into cars. My dad was a car salesman as I grew up through my youth. I had so many different cars I can't even count what I had. He would always come home with something new, different, something quirky, and it led me to where I am today. So RIP Dad, love you, miss you heaps, and thank you very much for watching, everyone.
Mm-hmm.